welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are going to Ghana. Today what I'm doing is this is ripe plantain, okay, and it's not really too ripe. I don't want a too ripe one, so this is ripe plantain. I'm going to use it to make mashed ripe spiced ripe plantain. Okay, it's really delicious, and in Ghana we call it Etor. So let's just start. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm just peeling this plantain. It's ripe, so it will be sweet and spicy. Nice. I'm going to cut them here. It's very easy to peel if it's ripe, so you just cut the ends and then you can get these in any of the shops at the market. It's very easy to get ripe plantain to buy. Okay, so what I've done, I've cut them into small pieces and I'm going to boil these. I have some eggs here, so I'm going to put that together. I've already washed the eggs, okay, so that is quite very clean. Okay guys, so I have this pan on the stove. I'll just switch it on. It's supposed to be on high heat. So what I'm doing here, put some water in there. I've put a little bit of salt, okay, and I'll put my eggs in there. The eggs are washed, so they are not dirty. I wash my eggs. Okay, so what I've done here, I put the eggs in there, so cover it, and for it to boil. When the water boils, then I'll add the plantain for it to cook. So guys, while our ripe plantain is cooking, I'm trying to get started with the spice. I have some red onions here. Okay, I'm going to grind that. Okay, I have 2 Scotch bonnets here. This is optional, okay, so I like it much more spicy. If you don't want it more spicy, you can just use 1. So guys, what I'm using this earthenware pot, which is really popular in Ghana. Okay, I'm using it to grind that. They normally call it a sanka. Okay, so this is what we normally use, and it's very easy to use. Right, so I'm adding the onions. I love onions. It gives it a very nice taste. So I'm going to grind that. This is quite therapeutic. So guys, I have some peanuts here. Okay, they are salted peanuts. If you want the recipe for salted peanuts, you can find that on my channel. Okay, so these are salted peanuts. We add a bit of peanut to it. Smells really good. So guys, our ripe plantain is cooked. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, doesn't take that long. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mash them. If you have a masher, you can use the masher. If you don't have this, you can just mash it with mash as if you're mashing potatoes. So it's quite easy. Just trying to mash all of them. So guys, this is what we have now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some palm oil. So what I'm going to do to add to the palm oil, I need to add a bit of onions. I'm cutting some red onions. Just a bit of some red onions. Right guys, so I'll put some red oil in the pan. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I have this salted fish. Okay, you can add any salted fish you prefer. In Ghana they add salted fish, any salted fish like Kobe or something. So any salted fish that you have, just to make the oil have a lovely taste. So I'll just fry the fish for just about a few minutes, and then I'll add my onions, and that'll be it. So guys, it doesn't really take long for the fish to cook, so I'm adding my onions now. When I add the onions, it didn't take that long. Smells really good, guys. You can decide not to add the salted fish, it's up to you. Okay, but I love the salted fish to be in. So guys, my oil is ready. I'll add my oil to my plantain. You just add it bit by bit, and then you just try and stir it. You don't need to add a lot of oil if the oil is enough for you. Yeah. So guys, this is our spice ripe plantain mash. It's really, really good. This is it. So what I'm going to do now is I want to add some salted peanuts to it. And it tastes really, really nice. Guys, you have to try it. You have to try different food from different countries. And I tell you, if you try this, you really love it, and you continue making it all the time. It's sweet and it's spicy, and you have the avocado with it, and it tastes so good. Okay, I have my egg as well, and I have the salted fish. Okay, so if you like this recipe, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications. Just press the bell, okay, so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching me to this far. I'm so grateful that you have watched this video to the end and you see this nice recipe, and then you can try it, and then you know that it really tastes good. Thanks for watching, and may God really bless you. Bye.